Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Fuck yeah! New tool day, in the words of our patron saint. Well, one of them. Drop your grinning and stop your linen. New tools, tap wrenches. What for? Tapping holes proper wise. So we got two, and it's the shoot off here. We got one from Crackmaster Car. This is the cle-line, 15-incher, I believe. 100 bucks, maybe 75 bucks. American. And here is the Starrett 16-inch. This was 206 Canopy Stack Copex. And yeah, that's about half an American bottle cap's worth, but holy oh fuck. Look at the difference. So what, maybe 35 bucks difference in the price. And these are expensive. I freely admit they're expensive. But if you buy cheap in tools, you're gonna buy at least twice. And further, being an old codger myself, I can't stand dicking around with shitty tools. Your work, your hobbies are difficult enough without friggin' and fighting with the fucking tools you got. I know, the irony. I am not getting a new camera. I just about got this one trained up to where I like it. So this is the 15-incher, and it was the premium from Crackmaster, as I said. So disappointment. Crusty. All the chewy, it's all fucking tight. So disappointment. That sucks so bad. So this is, it looks like Chinesium actually. It's all cast, just roughly turned and then painted. Have a look-see. Have a look-see at that. The jaws, hopefully hardened jaws. I'll check here momentarily. You know, nothing real special about this. Very utilitarian grade of tool, and sadly crusty in the threads. Weighing in at 470 grams, the cle-line. We'll see how hard that is. Those jaws. 65. How am I going to get in there? Maybe like that. 55 just barely bites in. So we're looking at around 55, 50. Rockwell C on the jaw. Not impressed. Even the cuts on the knurling are, they're not sharp. They're kind of just bleh. The hole here. Have a look at that. The chamfer is all chowdered up. Not what you'd expect for a quality tool. This is very, very utilitarian. Now we have the Starrett weighing in at full pull. Over 500 kgs. Probably more like 3/4 of a kilogram. This is, yeah, just look at it. All hand finished there, polished up, nice. Lasered with the Starrett number. A little crusty on the machining in there, or maybe it sat on a shelf for too long. Got some rust. Some surface rust in there. Bluing's nice, or the blackening, or whatever it is. Nice and shiny. And yeah, that knurl, sharp knurl. The hole, nice chamfer on the hole. Interesting how this would be. That's hand ground, looks like. Somebody hand ground that, but it was done after the fact, after the bluing. That's interesting. I wonder why they would do that. We have the pilot for the centering of the knurling. And then here's the, yeah, look at that. This old Tony rears his old head again. So we can see some chowder and some pickup here because the speed of the lathe when they're going across, there's a delineation there that it's just too slow. Instead of cutting, it's tearing. So that's all chowdered right to fuck. That's not very pretty. A nice little, I broke the edge here. Nice feature that way. Just a totally different tool, totally different mechanism. And yeah, look at that teardrop. That's, wow. So around here, this section for sure has been wire EDM'd. Now we'll see how hard that is. Oh, that's hard, man. Surprisingly. Oh. There's 60, and it's starting to bite in. So it's less than 60, but more than 55, or right around 55. Lovely bit of work there. That's nice. Threads here, not chowdery at all. And of course, that's a blind hole, so I don't know how you'd have to drill that out if you ever wanted to take this jaw out if it broke. I guess you could send it back. There's some shmoo in there. Yeah, chips from manufacturing. That's kind of the feel of the tool. It actually feels like it's been, like it's got some soul to it, like it's been used. You know, it's nice, and it's a fucking nice tool. I mean, you're gonna have it for the rest of your life anyway. I got no problem spending money on nice tools. A little bit of chowder there. I would say, for the money, no comparison. Not even close. That's one hell of a tool. Glad I bought it. I have no regrets. Alright, wipe the drool off here. This thing is mucking a phasing. It's not one piece here. Focus, you fuck. You see that? That has been staked on. So this is tool steel here. That whole shaft. And then this little bushing, what for holding the spring in place, has been pressed on. And then it looks like after the fact it's been turned. Yeah, there's no step there. So after the fact, it's been turned down and chowdering the hell out of that tool steel. Hey, partner, keep a lookout. Do we dare? I think we don't have any choice but to. Molly. Oh, you can smell the molly. Okay. You let me crash on your couch, right? Even the chroming is perfect. Just speaks to me. It's dull, right? It's not all polished and Hollywood. The only I wish they wouldn't have done that after the fact. I wish that would have been the same finish. That's the only complaint. Well, that and the price, but a fart smeller once told me you can feel the pain once when you buy the tool, or you can feel the pain every time you use the tool. Overall, a bonny, a beauty, a joy forever. Thanks for watching. Don't take any wooden nickels from these cle-line jokers. Son of a diddly. Junk! Keep your dick in a vice.